girl with confidence. When I got a roll our hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When a girl who can go slow. Wind it up all night. Baby, take your time. Let me know.
Hey y'all, what's up? Thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today is another LuvMe Hair wig review, and I absolutely love this hair, you guys. Like, it's worth the hype. If you haven't tried a LuvMe Hair unit, I definitely suggest them because they're just really as good as everyone says they are. So thank you, LuvMe Hair, for collaborating with me on this video. As you can see, when you get a package from LuvMe, you do get a lot of little gifts inside the package. This was my favorite part. This is an elastic band, a Velcro elastic band with a cheetah print on it. So I love that. Like, you can use it as a headband and as a lace melt band. And then you get a couple of headbands as well. Today I'm going to be showing you a headband wig. So I think it came with like 5 headbands, and yeah, so this is the unit. It's a deep wave unit in a 24-inch. Very, very beautiful straight out the pack. And headband wigs are just so easy, you guys. Like, I just love how easy they are. Cap construction as normal, 3 combs at the front, elastic, you know, your headband across the front, and then you Velcro it in the back. I didn't bother to braid my hair because it's a headband wig. I just decided to, you know, put my hair in a ponytail in the back, put a wig cap on, and then do my baby hairs. So to do my baby hairs, I did use the GLEEmade edge control. You can find it on GLEEmade.com or on Amazon Prime, and I'll leave links down below for that. So yeah, I just styled my baby hairs. My hair is seriously not even clean for this, but I was like, you know what? I think I might be able to get away with it. So yeah. If you guys like my jewelry, this is from Amazon, so I'll link that down below as well. I love this, you know, Indian inspired Bollywood type jewelry. So yeah, showing you guys that. And if you have questions about anything else in the video, definitely leave it in the comments and I will be sure to get back to you guys. Alright, so when it gets to styling the wig, I literally just spray it down with a spray bottle, get it nice and wet, and then add some mousse. I use the GLEEmade soft hold mousse, and that's really great for defining your curls but not making them crunchy. And then I use my dimming brush. This is from Amazon. It's by Evolve. Love this dimming brush. It's the best for defining your curls and detangling your units without pulling hair out of your wig, because you do not want to start balding your unit, you know. So go ahead and get the mousse all throughout. Go back in with your dimming brush to define the curls. And then I grab my diffuser, also from Amazon. I will leave my blow dryer, my curly hair diffuser. I'll leave that in the comments, in the description box as well, so you guys know exactly how to get these curls on your own at home. And make sure you're subscribed. Subscribe to the channel. If you have not hit that subscribe, definitely do that. If you have not hit that like button, definitely do that, because that really, really helps. And turn on your notifications. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. I'm trying my best to put up 3 videos a week in 2023. I'm gonna say that with a grain of salt because I'm gonna try, but y'all know how that goes. But I'm definitely gonna try. So I went ahead and dried the unit down to about like 80% dry. So it's still a little bit wet, but it's nowhere near soaking. It's not wet, wet. It's just a little damp, about 80%. I fold the headband, the black headband that's attached to the wig, I fold that under and try to hide as much as that as possible. And I Velcro the back as tight as possible. And yeah, this is what the unit is looking like. I trimmed some of those excess curls off, and then I'm going to show you guys what the headbands look like. So this is the velvet silver headband. I think this one is really cute, and it fit nice and, you know, firm on my head, nice and tight. Um, I love this wig, you guys. It's just so pretty, so easy to do. This is a great unit just to throw on. It's full, but it's not overwhelming. It's the perfect amount of density, beautiful length. I think this one is just absolutely gorgeous, and I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this one. This was my favorite headband. This taupe brownish with the beads on it. I thought that was so pretty. My baby hairs came out fire, y'all. I'm like really getting good. And with the makeup and the dress, like that brown one just stole my heart. This white one, super cute as well. Love it. Highly recommend, you guys. I just highly recommend. So if you guys want to try out this unit, I'll leave links down below. Highly recommend LuvMe Hair. The hair quality is beautiful. Shipping, customer service, everything. The whole experience is great. And yeah, so if you want to give them a try, I'll leave links down below. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you share this video. Share it with a friend. Share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.